You don't have a talent problem. You have a discipline problem. You say you want to be creative, but scroll more than you think. Let's get real. You wait for inspiration. You wait for motivation. You wait, and life passes. Here's the truth. Creative people aren't special. They're just relentless. They steal, remix, and stack ideas until something clicks. Truth number one, originality is a myth. Everything new is just old stuff, rearranged. Think I'm wrong? TikTok trends, music samples, YouTube thumbnails, all recycled. Truth number two, you're overwhelmed with content, but starved for action. You watch creators, admire their work, then do nothing. That's not research. That's passive self-sabotage. Truth number three, you think you need to wait until your idea is perfect, but perfection is the graveyard of execution. The best creators, they publish when it's 70%, and they improve on the go. Here's what actually works. Start ugly. Stack random ideas, force connections. Steal the structure, not the content. Create something messy, and hit upload. That's how momentum starts. The difference between you and the creator you admire? They started. You're still making excuses. You don't need more talent, just less fear. Now go create something before someone else steals your future.